I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Wait a minute. Don't you leave before I
We are here at the apartment cafe. Also, this is a hostel. Ooh, so dito pala may mga hostels din. But we are going to try and see if they have coffee shop here on the 9th floor. So, we'll see. Good day, tea and coffee. So, here we go. Oh, so this is one coffee shop, Good Day, and another one here is a spa, Ruby Beauty Spa. Yan, Alice siya. And this one is a restaurant, but I want to try, ito yung back, likuran. Yan. Let's try and see the other shops. Ito cute din sana. Let's see. Okay, explore natin. So, this is a shop which sells t-shirts. And this is a coffee shop, I guess. So, we're gonna explore. We go to the 8th floor. Ito ay 9th floor. Taking the elevator, we will now take the stairs. Ito ang situation. Luma na kasi itong building na to. This was made in the mid-1960s. Used by the military personnel. But from 2010, they improved this. So, let's see. This is another floor. We are here on the 8th floor. Parang ganun din, kagaya nung isa. Yan, no? Dito naman ang tawag dito ay Good Day. This one is hair care din. Boro. Yan. Tapos, this one is nails and head salon na ginagawa pa yata. Okay, we'll try and see the other side. So, explore muna tayo. Okay. Hello. Excuse me. So, this is another coffee shop in the 8th floor. Co Cafe.
No, you don't tell me. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm talking you yesterday.
So this is located on the 8th floor. Now we're exploring the 8th floor. Punta naman tayo sa 7th floor. Okay. Let's go down taking the stairs. So ang stairs talagang ganito kaluma. Yan. May mga vandals. Hindi malinis. Dito sa Saigon, medyo marumi ang kalye. So to the right, I think this is a residential area. We're on the 7th floor. And to the left, this is the Bui House. Tingnan natin. Yan. This is a coffee and workshop. And the sushi house to sa dulo. Yan, coffee and workshop. Ito yung offer nila dito. So, tingin pa rin tayo. Hanap pa rin tayo sa baba. Okay, see you guys on the 6th floor. And this is a coffee shop, of course. Madame Kuyen Food and Coffee. Yan, it's a small coffee shop. They also serve meals. Let's take a look on the other side. So here on the other side, we'll see I think it's a residential area. Okay, so this is The Letter by Coffee Food. Yan, The Letter by Coffee Food. Maybe we can take a look. Oh, sarap dito. Naka-aircon. Yan, very simple decors. Hello. Can I see your menu? Saigon's Egg Coffee. Para ka umiinom ng na leche flan na tunaw na may ice. Very creamy. Vietnam's Egg Coffee. Welcome to the Cafe Apartment here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Having had our egg coffee, we now proceed to the 5th floor of the Cafe Apartment. So, Saigon Oi. Yan. Meraki Cafe. Yan. It's a coffee shop and eatery. This one is a do-it-yourself studio. Oh, they have another type of coffee. This is durian coffee. Naku, kung lahat itatry mo dito na kape, magpapalpitate ka talaga. So this is a artisan de parfum, Saigon Oi. But this is prettier. Kaya na nagkape na tayo. Baka magpalpitate na si Princesita. So, let's go to the 4th floor. Here in the 4th floor to going down the stairs to your right, the I Saigon, and a thrift shop and a closet store. Now we're gonna go and see the left side. Oh, this is the Arabica. Yeah, this is a worldwide known coffee shop, Arabica. This is a dining area. Parang kagaya din nung nasa baba. Meraki Cafe. And this one naman is party. Yung mga scented candles nila. Yan. This is another, it's a different kind of coffee shop. Party. Yan. Vintage. This is a vintage coffee shop. Yan. Kakaiba. You will remove your shoes upon entering. Yan. So, maybe we can enter. Teka, I'll remove muna na my shoes. Kasi ang cute na shop niya. So, let's open the door. Ooh, very cozy, very cold. They have a wide variety of teacups. Very nice shop. Cozy. So we're here in party and they serve different kinds of tea. Pipili ka ng cup mo and saucer. I chose this design. And they also have cookies and scones if you like to take it with your tea. This is a very cozy tea shop. And nakakatuwa kasi you get to brew your own tea. I think these are mga kababayan natin, mga Pinoy na they're also traveling here in Vietnam. And so let's wait and let's enjoy our tea in a bit. Tea shop. Oh, cute. This is their WC and display of another set of teacups. Very cozy. This is their window facing the parang luneta nila. Diyan ang City Hall. I think these are all Pinoy kayo. Say hi! Tagasan kayo sa atin? Kami Cavite. Nueva Ecija. Kami may YouTube channel nung Mr. ko, Chubby Travels. Kaya lang yung Mr. ko napagod na yata at marami na siya ng fats na natutunaw. Kaya umuwi na siya. Like and subscribe ha. Nandun kayo ha. Chubby Travels. Oo. Enjoy kayo. Enjoy. So, my tea is being served. This is rock sugar and milk, cold water. And how do you do this?
It is a 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, light, medium, and strong flavors. This tea you can use with milk and sugar, and if you want to refill your cold.
Okay, so if I want that not that strong, I'll do it now. This one.
It's a 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Medium is the yellow one. You will wait for the yellow one.
Okay, so I'll wait for the yellow one to finish.
This is a strainer.
Yeah.
You can put it here.
Ah, okay. So this one like this. Thank you. Yung ganun pala. Kung gusto mo ng 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, may timer. Ako daw, antayin ko daw yung yellow para nagsisip yung tea 5 minutes. So, be back in a bit. First time. So, now we'll start to serve our tea. So, ito muna. Ang ganda ng teacup. Mabigat. And then, dito sa strain mo siya. Ayan. Kasi may mga leaves. Yun. Tapos, after that, lalagyan mo ng rock sugar. Wala nito sa Pilipinas. Tanggalin mo na natin yung filter. natin ng dalawa. Try natin dalawa. So, let's try it first without the milk. Yan. This is my first tea experience. Sayang hindi ko kasama si Abu and Jacob because they're in the hotel resting. Napapagod na sila. And nagfi-fix sila ng things kasi we'll be having a flight later to Da Nang. Okay, so let's enjoy our tea. Sarap. Ang pinili ko ay truffle chocolate tea. Masarap. Very elegant. So when you pass by the cafe apartment, this is located on the, I don't know where it is. I think it's on the fourth floor. Look for the shop which is called Party. This is the ground floor of the cafe apartment, and as you can see, many motorbikes nakapark lang dito. Kaya yung building nila may rampa. As you can see here, may stairs and may ramp. Para dyan yung motor, tas ang tao dito sa stairs. So now, we're exiting the cafe apartment and uwi na tayo sa hotel.